What's up guys, welcome back to the Wandering Winterfields channel. I'm Tyler and these are my fun glasses. Today I'm not going to be installing this Victory 4x4 roof rack.
I am. I'm Paige, I'm Tyler's wife, and I wasn't in the last video because I'm a stupid piece of shit. I'm going to be building the roof rack today from Victory 4x4. I'm going to be putting it together, putting it on the truck, and showing you how we did it. This is the only piece of equipment that needs to be installed before the camper arrives, because once the camper is installed, it's going to be impossible to get this roof rack up and underneath the camper.
What size Torx bit is that?
4.
4?
4?
4.
I hope I just used the right ones. I doubt I did.
Are you watching Victory's video while you do this?
These mounts are going to be adjustable up and down, but not so much forwards and backwards. So just kind of set.
So all the brackets are here, and they're snug, but they're not too tight. And I think the next part is actually going to be getting it up there on the truck. So that's kind of the most exciting part. However, we are not ready to do that just yet. We have to take the stock factory roof racks off.
Now, if your truck doesn't have a roof rack at all, you can pull this stock weather stripping off from the truck, but my truck has the Toyota roof rack on it. Side note, this roof rack is pretty much useless. If you can see it, this scratch here was from my rooftop tent. I'm gonna fix that too. And then there's another one over here that's also from my rooftop tent, and I'll fix that one too. Once you have it unbolted, you can get rid of it because it's a piece of crap. Also, it's for sale, lightly used. Then do the other side. Actually, there's another bracket right here I have to take off. With the bolts off on the other side, you take this off. Again, it's very important. Dispose of it. Also, it's for sale, so hit me up. My arm is burning. These are so tight. I literally can't do it because of my arm. So if you've never had a roof rack before, after you get the weather stripping off, these holes won't be punched out yet. You'll have color matched tape over the hole, and all you'll need to do is take something sharp and punch a little hole here and then rip it out until you can get a bolt through these holes.
Okay, so the next thing you want to do is use a type of sealant. We're using silicone here to just go around all of the holes where the bolts are going to go. This is going to help to secure the rack, not let any water in if you were to be in rain or anything like that. So according to Victory 4x4, be as liberal as you want with this, because the last thing you want is water getting down into the truck. Okay, so the next step is you're going to be bringing the whole roof rack up onto the truck. You only have one shot at this, so make sure that you have a partner or a good friend or, like, you know, somebody that you really trust to bring it up there with you. And oh my god, that's so funny. This piece here is adjustable, so you can adjust the height. We added weather stripping all the way across, then push this piece all the way back down so it's making full contact with the cab. This is what is suggested by the manufacturer. So this is just a really nice, secure fit. And yeah, we're very happy with the way this came out. Should I talk about wind noise?
No, we want to do that later.
Okay. Okay, so the next step is going to be putting back the stock weather stripping that comes with the truck. So you have these pieces here. These are for the back. These just snap back in and secure down at the bottom where it meets the windshield. Then the long piece, you're gonna basically cut to measure, where you measure to cut rather, each piece individually, and then secure with this quadruple sided tape. This is just Scotch Extreme Heavy Duty Mounting Tape. You can use 3M, you can use whatever you want.
Heat. So we just did our wind noise test. We drove it back to our house over here, and there was absolutely no wind noise. Wind noise isn't too bad, right? What? I said you don't really hear the wind noise, right? But What?
Our house.
What should I say?
That we're happy with the product. Think it looks good. Excited.
All right, you say something.
So we're very happy with the way this roof rack looks. We're excited to get some things up there and strap down and see how it looks with the camper. If you have any questions, please ask us in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.
The reason we wanted to make sure we got this done before we got the camper is because the camper will hang over to about here, and so we wouldn't be able to put this on once we have the camper. But we have it, we wanted it because the front half will be open and we'll be able to put like a Pelican case on top that can have our like dirty storage, like recovery gear and surfing wetsuits and whatever else.